Making a payment on My Finance via your student portal. Log in to your SRS student portal via the My Northampton app. You are now on the student portal homepage. Scroll down to the My Finance button on the SRS student portal homepage. This takes you to the My Finance area of the student portal. Scroll down to the section titled Student Statements. Student Statements is split up into 3 sections: tuition, accommodation, and other. Here you can view any balances that need to be paid. If you have any balances to be paid, there will be a green button above the relevant section showing the amount due. You can click on the green button to make a payment. In this screen, if you have an instalment plan, you'll be able to view the full breakdown of the instalments. This includes the instalment amount, the due date, and description of what the payment is for. You will also notice a tick box in each of the instalment sections that says Pay. To only pay the one instalment that is currently due, untick the Pay tick box in the other instalment sections, leaving the one you wish to pay. The total at the bottom of the screen will be updated accordingly. When you are ready, click Here to Pay. On the next screen, enter where the payment will come from. This will usually be from the UK if you have a bank based in the UK that the payment is coming from. You will now be able to make your payment via Flywire. There are 3 different payment methods you can choose. The first option is a bank transfer. You will be prompted to manually transfer money from your bank account via Flywire to the university. This can be done either using your banking app or going to your bank branch in person to make the transfer. Flywire will send you an email with the account details to make the transfer. The second option is Trustly. This is a secure digital payment method that enables a payment to be made directly from your bank account via your online banking platform. The payment can be made faster than a traditional bank transfer. The final option is a credit or debit card, which is the quickest payment available. Whichever method you choose, make sure you have sufficient funds available in your chosen account to cover the payment amount. For this example, we will select a bank transfer. Enter your details in the Payer Information section. In the email field box, enter your university email address. Continue through the rest of the form. Once you reach the bottom of the form, be sure to tick the Agree to Terms and Conditions box. Check through your student details page, making sure to add your university email address. Review all the details of the payment and make sure that everything is correct. When you get to the bottom, click Next. As a bank transfer was the chosen method of payment, you will be given details on how to make the transfer, including the account details and reference number you must use to identify the payment. This reference number usually starts with NOL. Once you have checked all the details, click Return to UON portal. A new NOL reference number should be auto-generated each time you pay an instalment via the My Finance payment portal. If you are making the bank transfer without going through the My Finance payment portal, you will need to make sure you use a new NOL reference number and not one from a previous instalment payment. Use of a previous NOL reference number can lead to issues with the payment being identified by Flywire. Back on the My Finance section of the student portal, you will be able to see the details of the payment you just made. You can also download a copy of the receipt for your records by clicking Download Receipt. If you have any questions in regards to making a payment through the My Finance portal, you can contact our income office on 01604 892 327, or alternatively, you can email income@northampton.ac.uk.